Quiz 1, check to find how is your listening skill. Review previous videos, if you have problems getting what you hear.
Oh, easy, Tiger.
Dean? You scared the crap out of me.
It's because you're out of practice. Or not. Get off me.
Perhaps you should heed your representation's advice. Take some additional time to consider your response.
I've already done that, Your Honor.
I'll retire to my chambers to determine sentencing. Court's recessed until 1:30.
Go, Mike.
I didn't want you to come. Go home, LJ. I didn't want you to see this.
Quiz 2, fill in the blanks with the proper form of the verbs in the parenthesis.
Yesterday he washed the dishes.
She washes the dishes every day.
He went to work yesterday.
He always goes to work by bike.
He played chess yesterday.
He football now.
She paid the bills last month.
He the bills every month.
She his present last time.
She always his presents.
He TV 2 days ago.
He to music every day.
He the room yesterday.
The dog the room every day.
She baked a cake yesterday.
They a cake now.
Quiz 3. Take what you need for writing, read the following text, and fill in the blanks with the proper form of the verbs in parenthesis. It's reading practice, don't waste your time, there's no sound for this text.
Oh.